I used to look for happiness in places far away, chasing shadows, counting hours just to get through the day. But then you arrived and the picture rearranged. In the blink of an eye, my whole world changed. It wasn't the fortune, it wasn't the gold, it was your tiny hand that I got to hold. My beloved son, you've opened my eyes. You're the sun that breaks through the grayest skies. I want you to know, and I want you to see just how much you mean to me. You are the truth, you are the one who brings me joy when the day is done. Yeah, you are truly the one who gives me joy. It's the sound of your laughter filling up the hall. It's the way you get back up every time you fall. You don't have to try to be something you're not. Just being yourself is the best gift I've got. When the world gets heavy and hard to bear, I look at your face and the light is there. My beloved son, you've opened my eyes. You're the sun that breaks through the grayest skies. I want you to know, and I want you to see just how much you mean to me. You are the truth, you are the one who brings me joy when the day is done. Yeah, you are truly the one who gives me joy. They say happiness comes and it goes like the wind, but the love of a parent, it never will end. So listen to me, let this sink in deep. You're the treasure I promise to keep. Son, you've opened my eyes. You're the sun that breaks through the grayest skies. I want you to know, and I want you to see just how much you mean to me. You are the truth, you are the one who brings me joy when the day is done. Yeah, you are truly the one who gives me joy. You're my beloved, you're my true joy.